Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to sign up for a Cleo account. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this, so just follow these steps and you're gonna be able to sign up for a Cleo account. First step, open the Cleo app after installing. Now we did a video before of how to get the app, but assuming you've gotten the app now, just go ahead and open the Cleo app. And what you're gonna do next is to tap get started or create account. And now once you click that, you're going to need to enter your first and last name as well as email address, and you're going to need to create a secure password. Now, a tip for password, you want to use a password with at least 8 characters, also including a capital letter and symbols, all for better security, so your password won't be easy to guess. Once you pass that step, you're going to need to, you may be asked to provide your phone number to verify your identity. So go ahead and provide that. And Cleo is going to send a verification code via SMS or email. Now just enter the code into the app to confirm your identity. So if it's sent to your phone, and you just get the code from the message and use that to verify. If it's sent to email, then you're going to need to open your email and get the code there and then use that to verify. But once that's done, you can read and accept the terms of service and privacy policies. You could also just tap continue to finalize your account setup, and you'll be taken to the dashboard or prompted to connect your bank next. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.